The Martian Manhunter appears in Peacemaker Season 2 and is set up to have a future in the DC Universe. This is at least a popular working theory that fans have. James Gunn has responded to this, but some believe he is lying. Because after all, Zack Snyder lied about it, so James Gunn must be lying about it. Well, no, because James Gunn has read comics. Okay, so Agent Fury. The theory is that this is in fact going to be revealed to be Martian Manhunter. And that's why the character is a little bit all over the place and doesn't really understand proper etiquette, I guess, or anything. And he just kind of blurts out random things that don't seem to fit the mood and the situation. Which is funny to me because that's literally a James Gunn thing. Every one of his projects has characters that say inappropriate things at the wrong time. That's like one of his key trademarks to get a cheap pop laugh out of people, which, again, I don't know if people picked up on that or not, but that's literally what he does. Now, back on the Martian Manhunter thing, in case you guys don't remember, this was also a thing in the DCEU. Starting with Man of Steel, there was a general there where everybody was like, oh, that's probably Martian Manhunter. And everybody at DC, including Zack Snyder, said nope. But then when it came to the Snyder Cut, he figured, oh, I'm smart. So he just retroactively made that Martian Manhunter, and then made Martian Manhunter appear in other parts of the Snyder Cut, which didn't make sense in terms of the context in the story at all. But he sort of bent over backwards to, I guess, deliver something that the fans wanted to see if anything could happen. So, people asked him whether or not Flurry is in fact Martian Manhunter. James Gunn decided to just straight up debunk all of this. He says no. And he says that there's other reveals in Peacemaker. Again, Checkmate, Salvation, and a couple other things. But this sort of secret wishful thinking that this is another character, it's just not true. That's not Martian Manhunter, and it's not going to be. And, good. Good. He doesn't need to be. Why can't Martian Manhunter just show up as Martian Manhunter? You know, like, why? And also, let's just let that character be himself. Because if for some reason we find out that that is Martian Manhunter, then guess what? It kind of makes him look like a D-bag at the end of the day for never using his powers to help anybody and kind of just being an idiot the entire time. And Flurry just comes out of left field with so many things that it just seems like it's a character trait for him. And also he establishes some of his history, which again tells us he's not Martian Manhunter. Thank you for checking out that video, and thank you for your continued support. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, do whatever you will. And if you're so inclined and would like some additional content from us, which includes unfiltered content and bonus discussions, we do offer exclusively in our member section. We hope to see you there. So thank you for watching, and have a good one.